Brought to you by JEGS.
Hi, I'm Matt with Aeromotive Fuel Systems, application engineer and research and development. On this installment of Tech Tuesday, we're here with Johnson, who was asking me what are we doing with this particular fuel tank. So this fuel tank is one out of a 2005 to 2017 Chevy Silverado. We've been getting a lot of calls from you guys asking about what we have available for this application specifically. So if you've all been waiting for something, we've got something for you. This is obviously a development part here at the moment, but it is currently being worked on to become a real product here for you guys in the future. What we've got here is an outlet cap that will fit directly into the factory sending unit hole, and below this you can fit either your choice of a single 340, dual 340, single 450, dual 450, and clear up to a triple 450 capable of supporting over 2,400 horsepower on gasoline. So as we discussed with some of the setups that are going to be available for the 05 to 17 GM trucks, we'll have a pump hanger go onto a bracket into the tank, and again this is a triple pump hanger, so capable triple 340s or triple 450s, or any combination of the two in duals or triples. So it's something that's coming. Also on top here, you might ask, why is there 6 sets of terminals? There's 6 sets of terminals because we've got one set for pump number 1, one set for pump number 2 and 3 if you have a triple pump. The third set is for a sending unit or a factory float level. So you can hook up your factory float level to these, hook up your factory wires, and then your gauge on your dash will read correct with the factory setup. So anyway, some cool things coming with this particular setup. For you guys that have been wanting a solution for your in-tank 2005 to 2017 Silverado or GM trucks, we've got something coming down the line for you too. And we didn't forget you 99 to 04 guys either. We also have something in the works for those trucks as well, up to a dual 340 for those applications. So stick with us, we've got something coming, so look for us in the future to have you some real solutions for your fueling needs on these particular trucks. So
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.